So, I had a great time.
Third date? Third date? Yeah,
I hope we can hang out again.
I would love to. You're alright. You know, you're alright.
You know, I'm real bummed that we can't stay in the same city after we graduate.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah. Just that opportunity in Knoxville is just calling my name.
Duty calls.
Yeah.
Duty calls.
But if we were able to live in the same city, I would definitely tell you I love you.
Sorry, what was that?
If we were able to live in the same city, I would definitely say I love you.
Are you saying that you love me?
What? No. Oh no. I don't love you.
But that's what you just said.
Look, I'm just not ready to commit to something like that. After last year, what happened with Shovel, I need to focus on myself a little bit.
You dated a shovel?
Their name was Shovel. The point is, this is good. This is real good.
I am very confused.
I think we need a little space. Hey! Aren't you gonna kiss me?